Oh my god, I'm so emotional right now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guess what? It's Mother's Day today, guys. It's Mother's Day all over the world. So I just thought to myself, why not appreciate my mom today? And let me tell you guys, I have never verbalized or told my mom straight out that I love you or I care about you. And it's not intentional, guys. I know she knows that I love her and I do care about her so very much, but I just don't know why that is so. Like, I've never done so. She also knows me to be this kind of person. Like, I don't talk much, I'm always laid back, I keep my thoughts to myself, and my action speaks louder than words. Like, just that's literally me. Like, I just do my things through action. You'll know through my actions, you'll just know huyu msana anafikiria nini. So yeah, that's what I want to do today. And I'm just thinking on kind of maybe writing a letter to her. And guys, let me just tell you something out straight for the sake of being authentic, and I want to be real with you guys. Me and my mom, we always speak in Luo, in Kijaluo. So the letter that I'm going to write to her, it's going to be in Luo. And I don't know if she'll read it or I'll read it out to her. I don't know, but it will be in Luo. Then I'll translate it for you guys so that you know each and every content of the letter. And I'll also make for her some DIY cards, like just expressing my love for her. Basically, that's it. I'm just all by myself in the house right now. And I kind of inquired from her to know what time she'll be back, and she told me maybe she'll be back by 4. So I have like 4 hours to kind of do my thing, complete my house chores, and go out, make all those stuff that I want to make, write my letter. So I want to do all these things before she comes back, obviously. And guys, I just want to see her reaction. I don't know what she'll feel about this because I have never done this. Like, CG, I just want to see her reaction. If you're new to my channel, kindly make sure you subscribe. Please join the family by subscribing. Hit that subscribe button right here. Also, make sure you give me thumbs up, like the video please, and do comment in the comment section. Let me know if you think I did a good job. Let me know how you find my mother's reaction. Like, let's just interact. And yeah, so without wasting time, let's just go ahead and do other stuff that I have to do. Hello. Washing now. I've done washing, and this is it. I'll just leave it there to air dry. By the way, we have this stuff, but it's not functional, so I'll just leave them here to air dry. And come on, guys. I'm sorry about the brightness. It's kind of not bright, but yeah, that's it. So I'm done washing the plates. Right now, I'm just going to shower. Then I'll just head out, go look for those supplies to make the DIY and write the letter. So I'll see you later, guys. Bye. So guys, I'm back already. I've already showered, and I'm just applying oil to myself before I go out. And yeah, that's what I'm just doing, preparing myself. And I've already worn this dress. And guys, I don't have a mirror, so I think I just have to climb. I just have to climb this chair. By the way, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out here in the world. Kindly let me know in the comment section, what does Mother's Day mean to you? Like, Who is a mother to you? How can you describe a mother? Mothers are so very important in our lives. I know at times they get on our nerves. Like mine, at times she gets on my nerves and I just keep quiet. I don't talk to her. But it's life, so yeah, they also do understand. And I think mothers are just the best human beings in the world because they are really understanding and they just empathize. They put like their children, they put their children in front of them. Like they think of their children before they think of themselves. Like they're just so selfless. Anyways, let me show you my outfit. That's plain. See, you give me time. Anyways, let me show you my outfit. I've pulled my chair back, so I'm just climbing on it. No, you see, I love these details. See this? So this is the dress that I'll just wear. It's just above the knee length. You can't see everything, but that's it. Let me just show you a little bit. You see that inafika pali hapo. So I just love these details. Is it called the ruffles, these things, like the way zimeenda hivi, like wavy thing or something, I don't know, but yeah, that's what I'm wearing for today. And I'm just getting ready to leave the house right now because I'm done. And my hair is in these mini twists. I've had these mini twists for the past 2 weeks, and I think I'll not undo them anytime soon. I'll just have them in still. I just love them. Like kazi mechapa. They look good when they are old. I don't know what you think about this, but just let me know in the comment section. How do you love your mini twists? Do you love them when they are still freshly from doing them, or do you love them after some while will zimechapa and they are kind of freezed up? Just let me know in the comment section. So I'm done with that. And I'm just putting on my lip gloss. I won't do makeup, so I think this is okay for just a chilled out look. It's a weekend, by the way, so I think this is just okay for me. I don't need to do much. Just return these in their place, then we'll be good to go. So cloudy. So guys, I'm just right back home. Let me open the door. So I'm just coming in, and guys, the weather is not looking good, so let's get ready to start working on the project, which I'll just show you each and every step, and I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, I'm back, and I've already bought some things. Hi guys, welcome back. So I've already finished writing the letter and doing a little DIY stuff. I just can't tell you how much I'm happy. I know it's not a lot. It's not like, maybe it's not up to standards for some people, but this is what I can afford as at now. And I know she'll appreciate whatever it is, like the work that I've done and the time that I've put into this. And I'm just so happy. Like, it makes me feel happy. When she's happy, I'm also happy. Like, that's what matters. So I can't just wait, guys. I'm even speechless. Like, I don't know what to say next. I'm just waiting for her. Guys, up to this point, please make sure you subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button for me down there. Please just do that, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's do this for my mom. Yeah, it's the best Mother's Day gift from my subscribers to her. Obviously she'll see this, so yeah, let's just make it happen. Leave comments in the comment section too, because I'm going to show this to her, and just leave words like encouraging words for her in the comment section. I'll make sure she reads each and every one of them, and she'll reply to you. I won't do the replying, guys. I'm serious. I won't do it. She's the one that is going to reply to you guys. I'll make her do that and just see the comments by herself. So make sure you leave something for her in the comment section yenye ata reply to. Guys, so it's at night. My mom came back, but she was kind of busy going here and there. Guys, so it's at night. My mom came back, but she was kind of busy going here and there with her friends and what have you. So she came back, like it's just at night right now, and she has gone to her room. So I have to go and get her. So let's go. Record. Ni tu kitu ndaka usome tu. Easy tu. So easy ndio. These are the things that I'm going to give to her. Let's start with this one kwanza. Why ni ya Mother's Day, so Aki looks
Silete.
Ona penye ananiangalia.
Leta.
So she'll read them out. Wow.
Okay. I love you. You are the best mother. Thank you for always loving me. You are a superwoman. May God bless you always. You are more than enough. You are my perfect gift. Thank you for always caring for me and supporting me. May God favor, mercy, and grace follow you always and forever. You are amazing, beautiful, generous, courageous, strong, worthy, loved. Aheri mamana.
Aheri mama.
Aheri mamana. May God bless you exceeding and abundantly. You are my sweet best friend always. I love you so very much. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
So I have this last one.
I remember.
Ini yako utaikeep. Andiko gidoro. Soma gidoro.
Jaber mamana atwech. Aheri gi chunya te. Agoyo ne Nyasaye erokamano nikech in mamana. In ema iber moloyo gite. Alamo ni Nyasaye omedi ngima mang'eny mondo ine gweth mabiro bedo e odi kae. Alamo kageno ni yore biro yaore kendo wanabed gi gigo duto te ma wasebedo ka walamo. Mami, isebedo jajiwo kendo isebedo imiya chunygi, imiya chung' ni gimoro amora biro bedo maber kaluwore gi dwaro Nyasaye. Isebedo kudwa
kodwa.
Isebedo kodwa kendo onge chieng' kata achiel miseweyowa. Kata ka akosoniga, isebedo ka imor koda kendo ing'wonona ga. Omiyo kawuono adwaro nyisi ni aheri mathoth. Ok anyal pimo kaka aheri, lakini bed king'eyo ni aheri to be ageni sana. Happy Mother's Day, my lovely mother. You are the best. Thank you.
Well, guys, because so emotional, I'm just crying over here. And she's just laughing. Anyways, I'm happy that she's happy, and ni kidogo, yes, but ana appreciate. And that's it. So until next time, guys, bye.
Bye.